Righto. All packed up. I was up this morning, got a couple of quick shots with Mr. Anderson, but this morning was for me. I just wanted to chill out this morning and watch that sunrise. Beautiful day. Beautiful day for a ride. Let's start this bad boy up first though, before we discuss that any further. Good girl. Right. I'm going to be going for a ride in a week. And I want to get back, sort all this thing out, clean everything, dry everything, get ready for the next trip and edit some videos. So, the decision's been made. I'm just going to start heading home. Everything's packed up. The tent's back on the front of the bike again. The screen's back down. I've got to get rid of that GoPro mount. That bugs the daylights out of me. I put it on there when I had poor batteries and low turnaround time, so I could just, wire it into the bike when it ran out of battery on this. That was when I had one GoPro. I've got two GoPros now. I don't need to swap them around. I don't need it to run out of battery when it's on the helmet and then put it on the front of the bike and run it with a cord. I can just... It's obsolete. I've got to get rid of that thing. But beautiful day. Cold overnight. Dear good Lord. 2 nights in a row where my sleeping solution was more of a problem. Which isn't cool. It's not what you want. So I think I'm going to have to remedy that in the next week, to be honest. I can't be sleeping like that. Where am I going to go? Oh, I've picked the wrong line. Plenty of runoff. It's not like I'm going to do it hard. Should just let the engine do some work. There we go, engine braking. You can hear the difference in that, can't you? Alright, let's let it run away. There's not really much of a hill there. Oh, look at the fog just sitting down in the valleys like that. I got some awesome drone shot this morning and it looks like it's the lake. Just the low cloud or fog, whatever it is, it looks like it's the river. It's unreal. Yeah, let's just enjoy a quiet ride back, eh? What goes up must come down. So they say, and apparently we're still going up. This one changes directions a little bit, a couple of times. Might throw her in first and just... This bit here's the worry. Yep, that a girl. Keep going. Yep, way forwards. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Unreal. Beautiful. Alright. The trip downwards continues. What the fuck? Guys, like that's fresh. The fuck do you think you're doing? Gross. Look, I can't get rid of these canned stuff. Why rubbish? So I take it with me. And then I'll get rid of it when I can. Fucking mid VB. Are you fucking joking? I don't drink VB. I hear it tastes like piss. So what sort of watered down shit is VB mid-strength? Give me a fucking break. Don't ride in anger. Calm down. I don't drink beer primarily most of the time anyway. I'll have a beer when I'm having a Palmer. Seems like the right thing to do. Pot and a Palmer. I'm a bit of a spirits drinker probably, normally. Been into the vodkas lately. Oh fuck. I can't stop, I'm halfway up a hill. Is this just going to be Corey's picking up other people's shit? Fuck's sake. Fucking juice box. Jesus titty fucking Christ. So if the VB coming out of the VB coming out of the passenger side and the driver's on the juice box, if they were going that way, or in the other case, if they're driving the other way, then the driver is on the hard stuff and the passengers on the VB. Now I've got to get started on a hill. I'm huffing and puffing because I had to walk up a friggin' hill. You're making me angry. My goggles are just sitting really weird and they're really pushing down on my nose. It's bugging the shit out of me. Let's take a moment and suck in this beautiful scenery. And that's a bit of a hill. Yeah. Let's give this a run. Oh, that's a bit of a hill. I don't remember coming down this. This bit's easy. Yeah, that wasn't so bad. Getting a little cocky there, are you, Corey? Whoop, pay attention. I remember this one. You get to the top of it and go, oh shit, that's a massive hill, after you've just done the massive hill. Oh wow, look out there. I can only do it for a short time because I'm going to have to negotiate this hill, but oh my god, look out there. That is awesome. Alright, find your brakes. Oh, that's crap. Let's go over here. Oh, hey, fuck yeah. That's what I didn't want to do. Is it smart for me to stop halfway up a hill? No. Is it necessary?
Necessary? Is it necessary for me to drink my own urine? No. But I do it anyway because it's sterile and I like the taste.
Oh, do this. Let's do this. Oh, look at that. Oh, darn. Well, that's a fair hill. I went up that hill. Why did I go up that hill? Let it go. What does it matter? Right, this is a treacherous one by the looks of it. I don't think I've picked the best line, but what's on the other side of this? Runoff. Well, fuck, it looks like we're going. Whee! Alright, that was a bit of a moment for me. Oh, the engine brakes weren't working, baby, because you're in neutral, you idiot! Ooh, we're getting into the fog now. Have a look at it, hey? Oh, and it's cold down here. Notice the temperature shift a couple of degrees instantly. Oh, it was such a nice day up there. Ooh, second gear. Back above the cloud again, but still freaking cold. Oh, it is cold. It's getting colder. What the shit? Should have stayed up on the hill till lunch. Oh, what's this? Where's the road gone? Ah, that's not bad. We must be nearly back down to the Buffalo River Road. Let's swap. Let's go over here. Let's rock. Lovely grippy rock. Yeah, this is better. Back with knees in the tank and less weight on the handlebars. I think that's how you're meant to do it. Clutch is out and the engine's helping. You can hear it sort of just holding on there. Ooh. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I think this is all the roundabout stuff that we do before the last descent. How am I'm so sweaty from working those hills, and yet so cold. It's like 4 or 5 degrees colder down here, I swear it. Righto. This is it, down to the main road. The last descent. This isn't even that bad. Ah, this hill is nothing. Oop, that's the engine brake kicking in, if you heard that. Why engine braking? I think the front's just starting to go a little spongy on me. So I'm trying to help it out. But we're pretty much done. That's it. That is it. Back. 42 minutes it says on the GoPro. There was a couple of stops, but that's alright. I've got to get rid of the goggles now. Set up for road. Set the map to take me home. And we'll go from there. Righto. So we've just survived a short section of the Dandongadale Buffalo track. Going to Myrtleford. Let's just go to Myrtleford. Might even be an opportunity for a second coffee at Myrtleford. Oh, sand! Oh! Imagine riding all the way up to that peak and all the way down again, and you go tits up, hitting a bit of sand. Would you admit to that? Would you? Nah. See, what happened was I was going up this really, really steep hill, and I come off. It wasn't too bad though. I recovered the bike and got back. No, I wasn't recording. Actually, yeah, the camera just, I don't know why, it just wasn't on. Yeah, really bad hill, really steep. Yeah, that's exactly what happened. Whee! It's not often you miss hit the quick shifter. You know what? That's me done. That's... Oh, look at what we've come from. Look at what we did. I think this is the end of this video. I don't think I'm going to do this anymore. I think I'm just going to ride. And it's all over Red Rover. Just slabbing home. That'll do.